all directions, shining brightly into the future. Driven by the dual carbon strategic goals, the energy transformation of commercial and industrial buildings has become an inevitable trend. Hebei Tongdian Electric Equipment Technology Ltd. provides efficient, clean and intelligent integrated energy solutions for office buildings and enterprises, achieving dual optimization of building energy consumption and operational costs. The photovoltaic direct drive air energy system, independently developed and installed by Hebei Tongdian Electric Equipment Technology Ltd. in its factory office building, directly utilizes the direct current generated by photovoltaic panels to drive the compressor, having operated street ably for 3 months. The photovoltaic energy-saving module is functioning normally. The system generates and consumes electricity on site, almost without relying on grid power and without producing reverse current, by eliminating the traditional process of applying for capacity, grid connection and queuing. With the power utility, the system significantly enhances energy efficiency. It provides efficient and clean energy solutions for office buildings and workshops, ensuring stable operation across a wide temperature range from 35 CTO 43 C. The comprehensive energy efficiency ratio has been notably improved,
while initial investment and long-term operation and maintenance costs have been reduced by 30–50%. This helps enterprises build
a new paradigm of zero carbon energy consumption.